Hello viewers, in this video I'll teach you how to replace LCD screen and glass of iPhone 6 Plus. The tool we require for this is precision screw, suction cup and anything which can slice the screen. First thing we are going to do is to open these two flip screw using a precision set. Now we have removed these two screws from the bottom. After removing two pentalobe screw, detach the screw with the help of extractor knife and suction cup. The screen is still connected to iPhone with assembly of cables. We need to detach these 5 screws before proceeding further. After removing 5 Phillips screw, remove with the help of tweezer, proximity sensor, camera and the digitizer cable. Now you have to remove these 3 screws to disconnect LCD from home button. Now remove these 3 flip screw to detach speaker bracket from the display assembly. This is the replacement LCD screen with glass. The first thing we got to remove is this cover. Now fix the shield plate again. Now as reverse to the dismantling, assemble the speaker, fix cover with 3 screws and then assemble rest of cabling and fix these 5 screws. Okay, we have now completed fixing with the pentalobe screws also. This is the old screen. Now we're gonna start this. Booting up. So viewers, from India I bought this replacement LCD screen plus glass from eBay, and it has costed me only 2800 rupees. Okay, let me check. Yeah, it's working fine. Thank you.